So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 9 till the 15th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? So let's start. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start a self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Just give me a second. Yeah. Cool then. Let's see. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Queen of Pentacles. So Libra, someone sees you as a very stable opportunity, as a very a dependable person, and they see a growth and expansion kind of energy here, or at least they're trying to. Okay, so let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles here. There's no electricity here in the mountains. There's no there's no Wi-Fi. There's nothing. I'm kind of losing my mind because I'm not able to work properly. But I will be back in Mumbai on 13th or 14th, and then I will start my work regularly on regular basis. I'm really sorry guys for not being able to give you the consistency in my work these days, but I'll be back soon. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Lovers. Yes, this person is someone who feels like giving you a final clear cut answer that you are the choice for them. They made their choice. This is somebody who's coming out of some kind of losses, or they are coming out, they are now coming in their senses, and now they're very clear about their choices, about their energies, about what they want and what they don't want in their life. And this person is feeling like quite stable, quite mature, quite grounded in their energies, in their choices, and they feel like they should come towards you with a clear cut decision. And the decision is that they feel like you are the one for them, right? If they had a choice between you and somebody else, I think this person is choosing you. Or if they had this energy of this is never going to work out, and this is going to be like this or like that, this person is feeling like coming towards you with mature and grounded kind of energies, and they feel like making things work out. Okay, so Libra, what I can see from the situation is one of you is being very practical, one of you is being very emotional. So this person is feeling like balancing the situation somehow. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Let's see what's happening. We have the Six of Pentacles. So either you're feeling like there is lack of equal give and take of energy in the situation, or you're trying your best to balance the situation out as much as you can from your side. Okay. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles here. We have the Nine of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and the Death card. Oh, I think you feel like putting an end to something because it's like this, it's stressing the hell out of you. The more you are trying to fix something, the more it's getting out of hands. And now you feel like you can't take the stress anymore. You just can't lose your sleep anymore. So you feel like putting an end to this situation. For some of you, you're putting an end to this energy of not trying anymore in the situation. For others of you, for most of you, you're giving up on a situation completely because according to you, you have given enough time and enough energy and enough resources to the situation, and you can't handle it anymore. So for you, it's better to let it go. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section which portion is yours. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Three of Wands. I think their intention is to be just wait and to be in this energy of waiting and watching, just wait and watch kind of a deal. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands as their intentions for you for the situation. We have the Ace of Wands, the Magician, and the Four of Cups. This person is manifesting a brand new beginning in this direction between you and them, but they are manifesting this energy of universe. Please help me to get out of the losses, the confusion, the pain, like whatever pain, whatever confusion, whatever you guys are going through in the situation. They're in this energy of manifesting, manifesting the energy of coming out of that pain, that confusion, and that thing first, and then moving forward, having a brand new beginning with you in the coming future. It's like manifesting this energy of having a brand new beginning just when you guys will be able to come on the same page. Okay, let's see what this person wants from what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra. Let's see. I have to keep it steady. I have to keep watching the green signal, green light. Otherwise I might end up saying blah 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 and nothing. We have the Five of Wands. You just want to stay out of this drama, this conflict, this fight, this issue. You don't want to be a part of this game anymore. I think you're done with this person. You're done with this energy. You are in this energy of no, I'm done. I just want to get out of here because it's enough. I can't handle it anymore, kind of a deal. Let's clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Eight of Wands, the King of Pentacles, the Temperance. Yes, Eight of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the Temperance. You feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction, in the right things, making your life, making your own life secure, making your own life beautiful. You are in this energy of creating your own reality, creating your own happiness, creating your own stability. And again, you don't want to be part of any kind of game or drama or any kind of bullshit anymore. You are done with this kind of energies. Yeah, you're done. Yeah, although you still love this person, you still care for them, but because of all the chaos, all the conflict, all the not so clear kind of energy and the full of confusion kind of energy and the games and manipulations, you are done with this shit. You're like, I'm happy alone. Like you should be in a connection because it gives you happiness, not in the connection just because just for the sake of being in the connection. That is what you are trying to tell me here, and that's actually that's the truth here. Should be like this only. I'm with you in this case. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you. What could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 15th of September? We have the Three of Swords. I do see a little bit of heartbreak here, a little bit of painful energies that you're going to encounter here because of the decision that you're making. But again, I think it's for the highest good of your energies, of your own growth. Let me clarify the Three of Swords here. We have the Three of Swords, the Chariot, and the Star. You are leaving something or someone behind. As much painful as it is for you, you are leaving something or someone behind, and you're heading towards healing. You're in this energy of enough of this shit. I gave enough time. I gave enough resources. I gave enough of everything from my side. This is high time for me to say goodbye to this situation for once and all this time and never look back. Because again, according to you, you have given enough time, enough energies, enough resources to the situation, and you can't put in the effort and energy in this situation anymore. So you are just saying goodbye to something, and this time you're quite determined that you're not going to look back no matter what. So this is the energy that I'm getting. You're heading towards your own stability, your own money, job, career, your own growth, your own success, and you just are sticking to this decision this time. Yeah, let's see the guidance for you guys here, Libra. We have the Four of Wands and the Five of Cups and the Eight of Wands. Okay, yeah, you can definitely talk to new people, new energies. You can definitely go out of your comfort zone and have fun and everything like that. But until unless you're completely out of the past pain or the completely out of the pain that you're encountering in your love and relationship area, don't be in any kind of serious kind of committed kind of energies. Please don't, because you are going to end up in the disaster, in some kind of disaster again, honey. Libra, it's a warning, it's a guidance both for you guys that until unless you're completely over confusion or a painful energy or some kind of you know not so good kind of energies, you should not go ahead in any new kind of relationship or love relationship area kind of a deal. Keep it on a friendship kind of a level, or keep it light, or keep it just yeah, casual. Okay, because you might end up in a disaster kind of energy again, because you're not prepared for that kind of serious commitment kind of energies as of now for the new energies. Okay, so this is what I'm getting here. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.